Hello, Montgomery.CPA here, and thanks for taking the time to watch this quick training tutorial on our best-in-class financial statement preparation, QuickBooks cleanup service that we do for numerous clients, monthly, quarterly, annually. And so I'll take you through here, take a few minutes and explain this process to you. And apologize about the bright yellow shirt. I have a client coming in today who is a graduate of ASU, so I thought I would wear an ASU shirt today. So and have their bright yellow colors on. So let's jump in here. So our financial statement compilation starts with this email that you receive, okay? Because we need information from you in order to start this process. So let me show you how this email works, okay? This is a interacts with our secure server, okay? And you upload stuff we request onto that server. So we're going to go through the process here real quick so you understand how this works. So you get this email here that says, please complete the checklist so we can get your books balanced. Click any item to open the full checklist. Okay, you can comment or ask questions and upload the files. Once all 5 items are checked off, then we get notified and we can begin our work. Okay, even if you don't have one of these, check it off. Otherwise, you get the email every day. Okay. So let's jump in here and let's start going through these 5 items. So I'm just going to click anywhere because I want to open this checklist. I'm going to go ahead and click, we can click anywhere in here or we can click on Manage Checklist. What happens is it launches a new tab in your browser and it brings you in to the interface with our secure server. Okay. Now on here, the first question is, have you cleared your bank downloads? We ask our clients to clear their bank downloads. You know these transactions better than we do. Okay. So by clearing your bank downloads, we're not asking you to learn accounting or do accounting. Okay, it's kind of like maintaining a checkbook. Okay, so you come in here to, let's see here, we've got a sample company open. This is a QuickBooks, a sample company that comes with QuickBooks. Okay, so what we're talking about here is clearing these bank downloads. So let's go over here. So in this example case where we've sent out the checklist, okay, we're going to work on the October financials. So this is financial statements for October 31st of 2023. So what we're asking here is for you to clear all the bank downloads up to October 31st of 2023. So let's jump in here. So we see here we have 25 transactions to clear. Some of these are in December, all right, November. So right here, we just need to clear all the transactions prior to this. And by clearing the transactions, we just click here to expand the line, and we just need an account, okay, for whatever this is. And you know that, like we say, you know the transactions better than we do. So if you intended, if this transaction was rent, okay, just type in rent, click there. If it was, office supplies, all right, click there. Whatever it was, travel and entertainment, meals, things like that. So do your best to code those transactions correctly. We're going to double check things when we do our work. If you truly are facing a transaction that you really don't understand, then here, use the Ask My Accountant. Okay. In all of our clients' chart of accounts, we put an Ask My Accountant account. So if you're really not sure, just put it there. We'll go through and clean up that account when we do our work. Okay. So that's your step 1. So once you've done that for both your business account, all your business checking account, savings account, and business cards. Okay, so if I click over here on business credit cards, I can see that we have transactions here. We don't have to do these 2, but we really recommend, keep up with this on a regular basis. It makes things so much easier because QuickBooks is a tool for you to manage your business. Our goal for our clients is that you come here to your dashboard and your dashboard is meaningful for you. It tells you what's going on with your business. You can see all your bank balances over here, profit and loss, expenses. But this, in order for this dashboard to be accurate, you have to keep up with your bank downloads, okay? And it takes us doing that month-end work or quarter-end work, doing that on a timely basis. Then we have a good dashboard. Hey, look, the big CEOs that run the big Fortune 500 companies, they have a dashboard that gives them up-to-date information every day. So why can't we as small business people have a dashboard as well? so we can look at. And this dashboard comes up on the companion app on your smartphone. So get the QuickBooks companion app, log in with your same credentials, because everything you can do on the computer, you can do on your app on your smartphone. You can clear your bank downloads over here. You can clear this checklist that we send you on your phone, okay? Our logo for my firm is a CPA coming out of a smartphone, because everything you do with us, you can do right on your smartphone, okay? So now let's go through this checklist a little bit. So let's say that we've cleared all of our bank downloads. So we're going to check that off. Our goal is we want to check all these things off so we don't get the email every day. Next thing is to upload last month's bank statement, okay? And if you have multiple accounts, if your business has multiple business bank accounts, and you'll upload them in here, okay? So you just click there, and that's going to expand it. It's going to give you an upload files choice, all right? And if you need to give us any comments about anything unique, you can use the comment box here and fill it in, okay? So let's go back here, and let's go ahead and upload those files. So before I do that, though, I want to talk about this, because right here we say if you've given us view-only access to your bank account, then you don't have to do this step. So many of our clients, actually the majority of our clients, give us view-only access to their business bank accounts and their business credit cards, business loan accounts, things like that. And most banks, most financial institutions, most credit card companies have a feature where you can add an additional user that has view-only access. So that user can't do anything, can't move funds around or anything like that, but can have a view-only access. But that's totally up to you, up to our clients. We're okay either way, okay? So it does help us when we have view-only access, though, because oftentimes we can drill down and look at images of checks, things like that, and that helps us complete our work, okay? But like I said, we're happy either way. If you've given us that access, all right, then still just check this off, so it clears that item, okay? And once again, you want to check these things off so you're not getting these emails, all right? But we're going to go ahead and upload a bank statement here. So with your bank statements, you're probably getting them electronically or getting a notification from your bank that they're available for download, okay? If you're kind of old school and having them mailed to you still, then you're going to need to scan them in, okay, which is an easy process too. And so scan them in and save them somewhere on your computer. Or if you're using your phone entirely, then we recommend the app called Adobe Scan, where you can scan multi-page documents, save it as one PDF, and then you have the bank statements saved on your phone, and then you can upload to this checklist right on your phone, okay? So let's jump over here, and let's go ahead and upload right here. And you can see in my documents folder, I have a folder called monthly statements. And so let's go ahead and upload the October bank statement here. It's going to load here, but don't forget to come over here and click on add, okay? And that'll actually save it in there. Then come down here, we'll do the credit card statement. So upload that one. And here's my October credit card statement. Upload that. We'll click on add over here. Then we'll come down here to the loan statement. Upload. Here's our loan statement for October. We'll add that one in. And then lastly, number 5 down here. So number 5, if we've made any asset purchases over $3,000. So if you've purchased something, some tangible asset, and it's more than $3,000, we need to know about it, because that is treated differently both on your financial statements and on your tax return. We have to capitalize it, take depreciation. So we need to know a little bit about that. So if during the period that we're working on, so if you're a monthly client with us and during that month, or if you're a quarterly client with us, where we're doing your financial statements on a quarterly basis, and during the quarter you purchase something like a vehicle or an expensive computer, a drone, we have clients in that business and they're buying these very expensive drones. So just click here, okay? And you'll see that I've got something like that. I have an asset purchase, a new server that was over $3,000. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna click on add. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a comment here. All right, this server replaces our old one. Okay, which is also key for us to know in terms of how we're going to record this on the books. Because if it replaces an existing asset, it's treated a certain way on both the financials and the tax return. Or if it's an additional asset, it's treated a certain way. So anytime you can give us some comments about any unique transactions during the period, that's very helpful. So click on add there. So now we've got the comment in there. Okay. So let's check everything off here like this. And we are finished. Okay. Everything is checked off here like that. So we've got stuff uploaded to 2 through 5. All right, along with a comment. Okay. And here, let's expand that. There's the receipt. Okay. And so now at this point, we can just close this browser tab. We're finished. All right, we've checked everything off. We're not going to get the email again. And now know that my team received a notification that you've completed your uploads. And now we can jump in and do our work. So hopefully this video helps you get moving forward with this process, which we believe is, best in class. That this is our process, and we're proud of it, and it works very efficiently with numerous clients. So let us know if you have any questions. And once again, just either whatever device you want to be interacting with us on, the checklist comes in an email. You can open that email on your smartphone. You can upload your banks to everything right there, right from your smartphone, okay? Clearing your bank downloads, you can do that right on your smartphone. Get the QuickBooks companion app and do everything right there. All right, thanks everybody.